Okay, I've been asked to do a cold start on the 63 Impala. It's been sitting, 4 or 5 days, so I'm going to give it about 4 or 5 pumps on the accelerator and then turn her over. 3, 4, 5, see what happens. Well, it started faster than I thought it would, but it's not idling quite right. Get a shot under the hood, and then from